Welcome to Simeon's Retro Tech. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up and punch that bell until it dings the noggin until you get that notification back. And if you are interested into mechs and awesome stuff, this is the place to be on the Simeon's Retro Tech. We do many other things as well. And as well, this is also a art channel on the Simeon's Global Concerns YouTube. So today we are going to get this on the flow. We are doing D.VA's mech from Overwatch. This is a project I didn't suspect. I got it during Christmas, didn't have the time to do it, and now I do. I have painted it, and it is my brother's mech, and we're going to get this on the go. I just had to add the details, and we're going to do just that on this video. So come join me on today's Simeon's Retro Tech on the Simeon's Global Concerns channel.
Well, here's the story straight on. My brother wanted me to disassemble the whole thing, and I painted it during Christmas, and this was supposed to be a Christmas gift pre-dundant, and it was just a project that just set over time, and I did paint it pink, so that's why it's going to be a big skip and easy do. I'm just going to give it a polish up, and man, look at all those parts. One heck of an amount of parts. And it's supposed to look like that. I have seen a couple on YouTube. They look totally different painted. And of course, D.Va has a few mechs, so within the Overwatch world. So this is just one of the things of the wooden model kits that I'm going to put together close as I can to the remnants of the instructions and not what other people have done or anything comparison to the game, as close as I can to what this model kit is supposed to proclaim. And I'm going to set it on and use the stand. We're going to give it like a road-like structure throughout the whole time. So it's a pretty amazing. I love Overwatch. It's a great game to play. I'm going to paint in the details now, and as we talk, I'm just going to fill in with what I've been going on with the amazing projects. Next one, I will be doing a Gundam Haven. Right now I'm just gonna finish this, and we're just gonna get we're getting the windows and all this stuff in, the gun ports, the legs, you name it. And I hope he sure likes it because it's priceless to me. So we just get it going, and within each few seconds, and every day I'm working on a new idea. Well, I got a lot of projects going in my life, and like I said this thousands of times in my videos, and every day I don't even know what's coming up next, so I've been trying to get a lot done for this year. So, and anyways, I'm just painting all this in, and my own ideal of details of making this wonderful mech look amazing in my little detailed world. And I hope my brother's gonna like this. This is finally gonna get done in a project I'm gonna get out the door. I've been helping family a lot every year, and it cuts into my life. You know, when you have a family, you know, family's first and everything. So I am pretty much detailing every speculation with my own little unique pieces of art. And I have battle damage on the legs, and I have a lot of other stuff I'm going to add. So I'm adding battle damage to the whole mech as we go, and then I am trying to go with every speck of corner that I gave, anything that I missed, because I painted it pink beforehand, and there are gaps within wood when you don't take it apart, painting each piece by piece professionally, which I wasn't going to take this apart because he put it together before anything. I was not going to take it apart and reassemble it and after so forth. So this is the final parts, and now here I'm going to put this gravel grain on this. But so I painted the bottom, but I'm going to put this grain like effect with some sandpaper, and I'm going to cut it out. I'm not going to use the X-Acto because how this is, it looks like I'm going to have to outline it here with the marker because I couldn't see the pin when I used it, or the X-Acto slice. So it looks like I'm going to have to use scissors, and this is just what's going to go down. So we're going to scissor it. It's very, very thick stuff than what it looks like on camera. And this should be easy to trim up now since I got most of it already sliced. And a little bit more here. Perfect. And it matches very well. Not bad, not bad, not bad. But we're going to use like a filt marker effect over it. But D.Va has some words to say. And I am just going to look over this, and then as I detail a little bit that you can't see on camera, I am going to get ready to glue in. Ooh! Oh, too close, too close, too calls. I almost knocked it all the way off the table. As I almost lost the project, we're just going to finish down, and I'm going to get the glue gun a little bit ready. And I'm going to stick these feet right down to the Mac of it, and we should have the subsetness right here. There we go, nice and glued, and voila. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll keep that from falling on his back because there has been problems with it falling over. The problem, it just was so unstable before I even tacked it to this with glue. I'm going to add a little more glue to it, because you know it's just gotta get a little bit underneath the back feet, because the back feet ain't holding too brightly anyways. Yeah, little spider webbing there. That's always the glue gun. But yeah, it's just gonna be pretty good right there. And there we go. Voila! It is fantastically done. It is a masterpiece. I like it. I got battle scarred legs. Like I've been through a lot of ruckus and battle. The top's nice and bright and shiny. And I didn't want to have the white tips on the wings like most people would paint them on. I wanted this to have a fin-like look, so I just did an outline over that. And I just gave it this magnificent gun port look with lighting up on the sides. Like it was gears on the sides, little battle damage, like I said, and there's like these little joint white figurations. Every little spring-loaded part, I put little spring effects. It's just crazily amazing. It looks a little disastrous because of the wood. This wood seems like it's that stuff that those 80s and 90s dinosaur build stuff is out of. It's just like, so it soaks up a lot. It does really soak up a lot on these mechs. So it does seem like it needs like triple coats or more, and that's what I did, but still. It seems like it warps, so I had to use like this glossy effect with paints. And it's just really perfect. It still turned out fantastic, and though I didn't want to take it apart, you can see where the parts that are gappy, but that's battle damage, and it's a thing that when you have something already assembled, you really can't do much. I wasn't going to take over a couple hundred or a couple pieces together, 35 whatever it is, and reassemble this, because when you saw that instruction booklet, that's insane. But it turned out awesome. I want to keep this the way this looks, but it's a birthday gift, so this is for my brother's birthday, and I'm giving it to him. With a nice effect, a nice platform. It's going to sit nice next to his Gundams. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to talk a few brief moments on my mind and what hopefully I can do and accomplish. Have a wonderful enjoyment.
Thank you for coming to view today's Zymeon's Global Concerns Retro Tech, and I'm glad I got D.VA's mech done from Overwatch, and it is just so fantastic. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more content like this, and hit the thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the thumbs for more notification if you want to see more. Within this nice art program, I do appreciate everybody coming through Retro Tech. I usually do many different kinds of projects. Just fun to share with everybody out there. And I appreciate everybody coming, and thank you. I just wanted to get this done for my brother's birthday, and by the time you guys see this, it's probably already been done and over with for this 2022. So thank you for coming to view, and I'm going to be featuring some more amazing arts on the Zymeon's Retro Tech. Bye! Have a wonderful day! See ya the next time around.